How to create clickable button in Canva. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create the clickable button for any website or your own website. I'm going to also show how you can create the clickable button for your Canva page. Okay, if you have multiple pages in Canva presentation, then you can create the navigation for this any page. Okay, so I hope so at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Okay, so let me start with the video. Okay guys, so I'm on my Canva design app. So let me take one blank page. Okay, I just take the presentation, one blank page. Okay, so I can create let me take one design also. Okay, this one. Okay, this is my first page. Let me add another page. Okay, so here I am going to show you how you can create the button. Go to the elements and search for button. So you can see the buttons like graphic buttons, photo buttons and frame and 3D buttons. So we need to go in graphics only. So here you can see the all button style. Search for website button. Okay, okay, so this is a button. We have text also on it, so we can't edit it, so you can choose properly. Okay, this is a recommend, apply and all. So I just take the blank one. Okay, just delete first one. So this is a blank button. Now you need to add the text on it. Go to the text and add the text. Okay, minimize the size, double click on it and add the your text. Okay, text has been added. Okay, make it proper align like in center. Now you need to just hit the your control button on your keyboard and shift button on your keyboard, hold it and you can select both element button and text, or you can simply drag and select the both element and make it group. Okay, so it will be locked and it won't be change the position by mistakenly. Now just click that button. Okay, and just click on this three dot option here. Go to the okay, we need to ungroup it and select the text. Go to the three dot option, go to the link, and here you need to insert your website, own website, or you can insert any website. Okay, the easiest thing, go to the any website like YouTube. Okay, go to the website which you want to copy the link, select that website, right click on it, copy it and come to the text, go to the link, edit link and paste here and done it. This is the first button. So I have created that clickable button here. Well, you can see once you insert the link, this is underline will visible, so you can make it disable by clicking here. So it will be disabled, but still link is there. Okay, okay, link is there. Now this is for website link, but if you want to put if you want to navigate if you want to navigate button for another page in same design, like if I click on it, then you need to jump on another page like second page. So you can make it, you have to just create the another button. Okay, I just copy this, button. Okay, so now we have two button, this button for website, this button for another page. So go to the link here and here, just click on this link area, make it blank. If there is a link, just make it blank. And here you can see we have the option in pages. So we have two pages here, so I just select second page for this button. So I have created the link for second page. You can also disable this underline. Now just save as a PDF. Okay, you need to save as a PDF to make it, to keep this clickable link. You can download as a PDF or PPT. Okay, so this is a PowerPoint presentation you can download, or you can download as a PDF. or PPT. Okay, or if you want to download as a PNG or JPG, then your clickable link won't be work. So just click on PDF, download that project. So let it download. It's download. Let me open it. So this for, okay, this is for website, I think. Just click on it. The link, okay, it's asking permission to open the link, so I just open it. Okay, and the second link for second page, you can see once I click on it, it's jump on second page directly. So basically navigation for the pages in the same design. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.